Morning, happy people. Day 3, and we're doing just a little one today. A couple of big ones. It's just 70 miles. It's called the Morpeth Loop. It's another one of Simon Weir's routes. Surprise, surprise. The actual route is only 59 miles, but it's going to take us like 5.5 miles to get to it and 5.5 miles back to it. Yeah, just a short one today. It's just spitting about, but it's blue skies and it's given good weather all day, so we should be alright for keeping dry. But I'll show you the route now, and you can see what we're going to be whapping around today. In a bit.
Yeah, so this is today's route, guys. It's the Morpeth Rideout, 70 miles long. It's actually in the book, Britain for Bikers by Simon Weir. It's 59 miles, the actual loop. It will be 70 for us because we've got 11 miles of getting to it and back from it. If you've got the book, Britain for Bikers, it's actually Ride 63, and it's on page 143. Going to start from Cresswell again, and we're going upwards, north, heading west. It's just a nice little loop, and back east, back home. Let's go for it.
Here we go again. Well, good morning, happy people. Another day's riding. Just a short one today. We may get rained on today. We're hoping to get round before the rain starts. Yeah, the rain's forecast for 2 o'clock this afternoon, so we've set off a bit earlier today. 9:30 in the morning we've set off. And it's 21.5 degrees. Yep, so we're now on the B1337.
It's a bit cooler than yesterday.
It is, yeah. I'm up to 22, John, but yeah, what did we get up to yesterday? 27, I think, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We're now going to take a right onto Stobbswood Back Road, and this is the actual beginning of the loop from the book. Yeah, Stobbswood Back Road. Windy small road, this one. What is a little back road like? Well, being on this little windy road for about 4 miles, we are now going to take a right onto the B6345. Whoa, that's gravel there, Don. That back end went a little bit.
Yeah.
Right across it, you couldn't get around it, could you?
I went on the other side.
Oh, did you? Another cracking piece of road. Well done, Simon, once again. Just coming into Acklington. Nice church.
Yeah, heading to the coast again.
Yes, we are, yeah. You see it on your sat-nav gate. Yeah, because we're going to be joining a bit of the road that we went up to the Holy Island yesterday on, but it's only for a few miles. Another cracking bit of road. I just can't fault the man. We're arriving at Amble. A-M-B-L-E. Come to the end of that little stretch, and we're now going to be turning left onto the A1068. Yeah, we're definitely on this one. Oh, I don't want to see any diversions today, John.
No. Pain in the ass.
Absolutely. Yesterday we lost 23 miles. Alnwick. I was here yesterday and all. Now in a little bit we're going to be taking, I'd say take the third exit, and we're going to be going on to the B6346.
just here.
Yeah, some real nice little places, isn't there?
Oh, beautiful. Right, we're keeping left here and we're going on to the B6341. I think. Is it? That's what it's showing on here, isn't it?
Yeah, veer left, don't we?
Or have I gone left too soon? Yeah, I've gone left too soon, John, haven't I?
Yeah, you have, haven't you? You should have gone through the arch where...
Shit.
Oh, no. Yeah, should have gone through the arch.
Although now it's rerouted us, I think we'll be alright, John.
Yes.
Oh, road closed.
Oh, turn round and do it then.
We'll go through the arch. Bagger. I thought the motorbike symbol went up to the where we're supposed to go left, but I didn't think you could go through the arch.
Yeah, it catches you out when you look at it. You think, oh shit, it's a bit further.
Yeah.
No left turn.
Is that what it said? No left turn?
Yeah, but bollocks to that.
Is he waiting? Oh shit.
Shit.
That was why it's no left turn. And now I've lost it on me. Has your nav kicked in yet?
No.
Oh, mine just does now.
Yeah, now it's veers left.
Here we go, a little bit of a drama there, folks.
Never mind.
That's the reason there's no left turn, because there's oncoming vehicles coming through it, weren't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is where we veer left onto the B6341. Back on track.
This is a fairly biggish place.
Yeah, this is Alnwick, innit? That's where the castle that you're on about from, is it Harry Potter? It's over there somewhere, John. On the right. They did some filming there or something, she said, didn't
Yeah,
they?
they did the filming with a flying with them broomsticks, I think.
Oh, was that where they played that game with the ball or something?
Quidditch, is it?
I don't know, I haven't watched any of the films, but people watching will know. Bloody hell, it is a long straight, this one. Christ, it's like a bloody runway. Is that right in front of us? Jesus.
It's where the Romans came to Scotland.
Yeah.
Built the wall.
We're going to see a bit of Adrian's Wall on the other two treks. And some ruins and stuff.
What, we will do?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never seen it, Adrian's Wall.
Yeah. Look at that view. Jesus Christ. Wowzer.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, the viewpoints are up here somewhere, so... Christ, this is a steep one, 13 degrees. There's one of the viewpoints we just passed. There's the other one. Brilliant. Got some cracking roads and some beautiful sceneries. Get you sent on the Morpeth Rideout. This is the B6341. Got some quite long stretches of straight, but some nice bits of bends on it if you're going to do it. You feel it getting cooler as the higher we go, can't you?
Yeah, it's nice though.
It is nice, yeah, it keeps you cool. I say it's getting cooler, it's only down to 21.5. Hopefully it's one of them that once you get over the crest you get a nice view looking down.
Yeah.
Smidge windy and all, which is nice. It's blowing straight through my vest jacket.
Straight ahead.
Oh, look at that. Oh. It's a shame it's such a dull day. I don't know whether it'll be picking a lot of detail up the drift, but we can see for miles and it's absolutely stunning. I think they're a bit too cautious, these people, aren't they? I'm going to try and get past them. Have you got past, John?
Yes.
Are we all past them then?
Yeah.
Happy days. I think this next town that we're coming up to, wherever it is, that's where we're going to have a stop. Park behind the Queen's Head I've got here.
Everything's shut. I don't know whether we're allowed to park here, but oh, so we all go in different places. Should be right. Nice roads there, weren't there? Yeah, it was very nice. Nice little cafe. Rothbury, this place. We've now joined the B6342. We'll see what this road entails now then. Oh, lovely road ahead. Look at that, you can see it winding all the way up that hill there. There's a bloody tractor up there, look. Oh, it's coming towards us, I think. Oh yes, continuing on. Look at this. Wowzer, wowzer, wowzer. Again, fully surrounded by sheer beauty. You would be if I was in front. This is a bendy bit here. Bloody great. Not the best road surfaces on earth, but oh, just got onto a good bit of tarmac. Just as I spoke, as if by magic. Oh, some old ruins on the left. I wonder what they are. Oh, I've got it on my prompt sheet. Those ruins on the left that we've just passed are Codger Fort. Well, we've nearly done the 10 miles or so on this road. Scott's Gap we're at now. Going to be hanging a left here onto the B6343. I think that'll be the start of heading east again, back to the coast where we're based. Sun's beating down on us again. 24 degrees. We was all well ready for showers yesterday. 27 it got up to. It's going to be similar today, but thunderstorms this afternoon. Bloody piles of gravel here. Wonder if they come and fetch it and just sprinkle it on the bloody roads. Heartburn, spelt differently to how we do. H-A-R-T-B-U-R-N. Heartburn. The whole of the area up here has just got beautiful places to look at. Little villages. Just a class part of the world. The road surfaces have been a bit not too brilliant, if I'm totally honest. This is alright here, but yeah, a fair bit of it's not been brilliant, but I think we've got decent tyres. Oh, some bad potholes there. There? Oh lad, there. Just at the end here, we're going to be hanging a right onto the A192. But we're only on it for, what, half a mile. This is a dinky little bridge, look. Very nice. Yeah, right here, look, on the A192. You there, John? No, I've still lost John. I wonder if this is Morpeth. You know, I think it might be. Yeah, this must be Morpeth. It is, look. Morpeth Motorcycles on the right. Oh, it says Bikers Cafe as well. Bikers Cafe. And this is the roundabout where we go straight on onto the B1337. Fast coming to the end of the Morpeth Rideout. Cricket match going on, nice Sunday afternoon game. Welcome to Longhurst. How do you spell that one? Oldham. Say it, I mean. U-L-G-H-A-M. Oldham. And this here, I do believe, is the turning that we turned off to go down the Stubbswood back road. It is down there. So that completes the Morpeth Rideout. I hope you enjoyed that, happy people. I certainly did. Like I say, for us it's been 70 miles when we get home, but that actual little loop's only 59 if you was actually on it to start with at some point. But another one that's highly recommended. Thoroughly enjoyed it.